How to change primary email address in your personal PayPal account. So let's see in this video lesson. Once we log into PayPal account, we need to click Settings gear icon in the top bar. And here, we will see all our emails added in PayPal in this email section. And one of these will be our primary email address. In this PayPal account, this is my primary email address. To change it, I need to select this three-dotted More option, and select Make it Primary, to change this email address as the primary PayPal email address. Now, this is my primary email address in PayPal. Or we can add new email address, as a new primary email address. We need to keep this box checked, to make this new email address as the PayPal primary email address. And click the Confirm button. Once we add the new email address, a confirmation code will be sent to our email address. We need to add the code in this verification page and verify it. And done adding the code I received in our new email address. And you can see now my new email address is the primary email address in PayPal. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.